So why not to grab the opportunity, because Amazon is running fashion discount which is from 26th till 28th of November. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fantastic, and today I am back with very exciting haul video. By the title itself you guys would have guessed it. Yes, it's a fashion haul video. And also, why not, Amazon is having great discount on, so grab the opportunity and grab all discounts possible. Now before I talk too many things, let's just dive into today's video. So most of you know that I am traveling next month, so do check out my Instagram if you're not following me there, because I post a lot of things about myself and I'm pretty active on my Instagram. So hence I wanted to shop couple of clothing items which I'm going to show you, and you will see all the try on haul. So the first piece which I'm going to show you is this beautiful indigo color kurti. This is how it looks. It is such a nice office wear and it is perfect for summer. I really like the prints going on. It also comes with the plazo. So this is how the plazo looks like. It is so nice. I haven't washed it, so I'm not sure about the color quality. However, it looks promising. It is like this. It is a nice stretchable material and you can pair this with any sort of dress you want. You can try this with a nice white top as well. You're getting an entire suit piece for just $3.99. Moving on, I also picked up a denim jacket which is in a black color. This is how this denim jacket looks like. It's a very basic denim jacket, I would say. There is nothing fancy at all. It comes with this large button and pocket and says it is for 1599. However, I paid 350 rupees, guys. Can you believe the price what you pay? Of course, they are right now on sale, so do check out. Moving on, the next piece which I'm going to show you is so perfect outfit for your summers and travel, and super comfortable. This is how it looks, guys. Look at the print and everything about this dress is super gorgeous. It's a maxi dress. It is so beautiful, so flary, and it also comes with this beautiful border down, and it is really flary, guys. And you also get this dory along at the side, so you can just snitch it around your waist, and it is so perfect. So I'm going to pair this outfit with junk jewelry and some denim jacket, and it's going to look so proper and so fashionable. So the last piece which I'm going to show you is like a random buy, because you get this section called bestseller. I saw this salwar kurti and this was worn by Janhvi Kapoor, and I'm like, okay, let's just get my hands on this because it was so beautiful on her. Hope it looks good on me as well, because I have already worn this. You will see me posting the picture on Instagram, and I have already washed it because I wanted to check the quality of this particular product, because since it's a white color and I didn't wanted the other color to fade or to get smudged with white. Hence I'm very happy for the price what I paid and the quality as well. The only thing which I didn't like is the dupatta, which you will see me showing here. So this is how it looks, and it has this print all over, and it also comes with the pant. So this is how the pant looks like. It has this bottom large block prints going on all over. I really like it, and they are super comfortable. I wish they had a pocket in this pant. Plazo pants can be worn casually as well, so I wish there was a pocket, but nevertheless. So the dupatta which I got along with the chudidar is not very comfortable, I would say, in terms of size wise, and also the finishing I didn't like it. It has this lace work all over, but I did not like it because the lace work is not appropriate. Can you see this? If you can, it's not proper stitching, and it is very small for me, so I didn't like the dupatta. So with that said, guys, I hope you enjoy this mini review or sort of a video, and also let me know which is your favorite outfit from all of this, and do check out my Instagram because I will be styling them and posting pictures on my Instagram. So yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.